try natin with bagoong. Yan. Pwede na kainin pati balat with bagoong. Oh my god, ang sarap pala na may bagoong. This is so good. Hello, good afternoon. So today mag-harvest tayo ng ating donut peach para magmukbang tayo ng donut peach mamaya na. So tara na at samahan niyo ako. So ayan, actually marami-rami pa yung ating donut peach ano, kahit lagi natin itong hina-harvest. So ayan. Halos hinog na lahat. Yan o. Ang bilis na natin makuha. Ayan. So, ayan yung ating harvest. Grabe, ang dami oh. Yan. So, konti na lang yung bunga niya. Ayan oh. Yung ating harvest. Oh, 'di ba? Ang dami. So, ayan, magmumukbang tayo ng ating donut peach. So, ito yung ating na-harvest. Grabe, ang dami oh. So, ayan. So, ayan. Hello. So, ito na yung ating na-harvest. Grabe, sobrang dami. Hello. Good afternoon. So, for today's video, ayan na nga, ano, magmumukbang tayo ng ating donut peach. So, ayan. Grabe, sobrang dami pa natin, ano. So, ito muna. Ito na yung nahugasan natin. Actually, itong donut peach natin, yung texture niya, parang velvet texture, itong balat niya, no? So, pwede mong kainin, depende sa'yo, pwede mong kainin kasama yung balat niya, pero sa akin, hindi ko siya kinakain dahil nga, for some reason, nangingilo ako dahil sa texture niya, no? So, ayan, since super ripe na nga ito, so, ang gagawin natin, ayan, actually, mabilis lang naman siyang balatan, pwedeng parang ganyan lang, oh, ayan. Madali lang siyang balatan, ayan. Kasi hinog na siya, no? Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. O. Si Alison naman ang trip niya, yogurt with mango. Yan naman kay Alison, she is eating mango with yogurt.
And I peeled the mango myself.
Yan. It's good when you put this one inside. To peel it like that.
I could get you some yogurt so you could eat it with that.
No, ano, ayan. O, ang bilis lang talagang balatan, ano. So, ayan. Mas masarap din kung mahilig ka sa malamig, i-ref mo muna para mag-chill siya and then saka mo kakainin.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate it?
10? Because it's super sweet.
I'm gonna eat one. How do you peel it?
Want me to peel it for you?
Nah. Oh, it's really easy.
Super ripe. What's it?
It's like a plum, but it's like peach, but like light flavor. But it's really good.
It's good with yogurt. Ayan.
Oh, it's so juicy.
Super juicy. Yeah. Ayan.
It's like a mix of mango and peach.
Ang tamis. Oh my god. It could be my dinner already. And maybe a cup of milk and then I'm good.
Oh, I got you.
Later. Not now. Because last night I only drink milk and I just eat banana.
So it's like a banana smoothie. You should try the mango yogurt. It's really good.
I'm good, thank you. I like this. This is my favorite.
Other than the mango?
Of course, I like mango too. Kaya, ayan. Sagana tayo sa prutas ngayon kasi sobrang dami ng plums natin. At the same time, itong donut peach natin. So, ayan. Next time, imumukbang din natin yung ating plums.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna join you with the plums.
Grabe, sobrang juicy. Yan. Yan. Ito, medyo matigas konti. Kaya ito yung medyo crunchy. Yan.
Sarap, sarap.
Ito yun.
Yay.
Where's your plate? Kaya, ayan. Sagana tayo sa prutas ngayon kasi sobrang dami ng plums natin. At the same time, itong donut peach natin. So, ayan. Ayan. Sobrang juicy. Tumutulo. Tutulo yung juice niya. Ito medyo crunchy. Ayan.
Dip with mango.
Maybe it's good with bagoong. Maganda din yung medyo crunchy. Yan.
That's crunchy.
Try natin with bagoong. Yan.
Does it taste like the mango?
Oh my god, it's even better. Bagoong.
Shrimp and peach.
Oh my god, masarap pala yan sa bagoong.
Going in for it.
Pwede na kainin pati balat with bagoong. Perfect with bagoong. Same halal na hinog. Ubos yung bagoong. Yung medyo hindi siya totally hinog, yung medyo crunchy pa yun. Bagay na bagay sa bagoong. Ang sarap. So yun lang. Share ko lang. Bye-bye.